to you guys, and just to give you an update on what's going on. The deadline, it's on March 15th. It's Monday. I'm pulling out a calendar. The tax deadline is on Monday, March 15th. So if you're an S Corp or a C Corporation or partnership, meaning you file a Form 1065, now if you're a Schedule C, your taxes are not due. Okay? Your taxes are due on April 15th. Okay? If you are a S Corporation or a C Corporation, your taxes are due by March 15th. Now, your tax return is due by March 15th. You don't pay your taxes until you file your personal taxes, which is due on April 15th. Now, C corporations, your tax payment is due on March 15th. So if you don't want to pay interest on the taxes on the income that you made in 2020, if you got the money, you're going to need to make that payment. Now, businesses, you know that you just cannot log on to irs.gov and make the payment. So if you don't already have an EFTPS account, that's E as in Ed, Fred, F as in Fred, T as in Tom, P as in Peter, S as in Spiceda, EFTPS account, then you're going to have a hard time paying your taxes at the last minute. Now, if you have an EFTPS account, you want to go ahead and get that done today, no later than, probably today, because you got to actually make the payment a day before for it to be considered on time. So if you log in on Monday and try to make the payment, it may not post for Monday, it may post for Tuesday. So for you C corporations out there, go ahead, file an extension. If your taxes are not done, it's okay. If your taxes are not done, file an extension. But if you're a C Corp, it is imperative that if you have the money, that you make an estimated tax payment. One of the most popular questions that I get is, how do I know what I should make, what I should pay if my taxes aren't complete? Well, the way that you determine that is you look at your last year's taxes. If you owed last year, at least pay 90% of what you owed last year. It's a slam dunk. You don't have to call your accountant and ask. If you know what you've made this year and you have a net income number, even if it's not your final number, go ahead and pay your taxes based on that. If you overpay, then that's what the refund is. A refund means that you overpaid. Hey, let me say that again, because I don't think that people realize that a refund, whether you get it as an individual or a business, a refund, anytime somebody give you money back, they're giving you your money back. Except for in the case of individuals, like the recovery credit. Now, let me touch on that. I've had a lot of people call me on the individual side asking me, hey, I didn't get the stimulus in January, or I didn't get the stimulus in April of last year. If you did not get the stimulus, or you didn't get all of the amount that was due to you because maybe you had a baby, and that baby, you didn't get the $500 because the IRS didn't know you had a baby. When you file your taxes, when you include that child on your return, you will get the stimulus related to that child. All right, so that's a question that I've been getting asked a lot. And I want to say to you guys that if you have an accountant and you're going to get your taxes done, even if you're doing your own taxes, guys, come on. Y'all got to come to the appointment or already be ready. Know how much money you got in stimulus. The stimulus check hit around April of 2020. The second stimulus check hit this year, January 2021. You have to provide that information to your accountant so that they can let the IRS know if they underpaid you your stimulus. If they underpaid your stimulus, you will get your remaining balance when you file your taxes. Now, if you did not get a stimulus, then let them know, I did not get a stimulus, and it'll indicate such. Because Lord Jesus, and I hear that, the third stimulus is coming out. No, the third stimulus is not coming out in your personal tax return. Now, they may determine what you're going to get in stimulus based on this current tax return. But I haven't read the regulations on that because I've been heads down in business and personal tax returns meeting these deadlines. Thank y'all for tuning in, and until next time, don't forget to move your profit in the right direction. And that's up. I'm Spiceda Jackson, the accountant you want to work with when your business is out of shape and you want to structure and strategize to move your profit up and turn your taxes down. All right, bye y'all. Have a great day.